to a new vlog, you guys. The previous vlog, you remember, we ended this whole thing here. Like, this is where it ends from the previous vlog, so we're gonna continue going forward. This is where it was ending. So now this is the progress, meaning it's our day 3 now. This is the progress. This is the side that you did not see from the previous one. So yeah, guys, this is the part. So far so good. Hey, this is the part. You see, guys, I think you already see the vision. You see, this is the part so far. Sekusele kancane uma ngingene, sekusele kancane uma ndingene, sekusele kancane uma ndingene. So this is our day 3, guys. So far so good. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Today there's nothing much to show you because all the deliveries has been made, and also the material part and everything of that sort. So now the most exciting thing we are looking forward to is how this house is gonna be divided. And already, guys, I'm a butterflies. There is a vision, guys. It looks amazing. Okay, let's keep rolling.
Excel is all man figure one of
sizeni omunye ubhuti.
Sawa. It's smaller.
Right, el kulile le. Como é que amanhã está assim aqui? Como é que está assim aqui? Vamos aqui, mano. Não. We don't have time. We are heading to the buffet. We just passed by here just to see the progress. So let's go to the buffet. We are already running late, guys, because we're supposed to be there at 6 o'clock and the time is currently 5:30. And I think we have about 40 to 50 minutes drive, but let's go. Priorities bafazi singabazali. Le? Okay. Molweni kwakhona bantase. This is our day 4 of us going to check progress kwethu. Guys, today it was a lazy day. I think the time is currently 2 o'clock. Kona so check progress. Wow. Hi guys, we are just not serious about this project. Asiko ready. We are not ready about this project. Guys, let's get in. We just arrived. The progress for day 4. This is our day 4. This is how our day 4 looks like. So you can see now the wall here has been done up until the door side. I think section space it's yeah, this one. And then if you remember, there was this stage, say pulpit already being removed. Still very nice and fresh. Remember we said this side we are doing sustainability, and then going to that side the wall up until that one is for the door. And then yeah guys, I think that is it for today. There is nothing much to show you, but there is so much progress. They're really working, you know, they are really working. I think now the picture, you are getting it, it's now very clear. And then that is the part that there was a stage. I think they are almost done with it. Yeah guys, I think we'll see each other on day 5. Bye.
Shower everything 900 by 1.2. 900 by 1.2. Sithi bonda leli lapha lapha ne. So kusho ukuthi space sedwi lesi. And then suka lapha yasishawa leli. And then lapha ibona leli liyahamba lapha. I-toilet ingakala.
Yeah, i-toilet.
Yeah, i-toilet le.
Ishower uthemphelela kuphi lana?
Iphelela la.
Ispace eshower lesi.
Yeah.
Then le 1.2
Le 600 le, ye-toilet le.
Okay. Iphuma kuphi from
La. Ashula. Bese nenyinga ngayo.
Okay, so la i-toilet ya.
I-toilet ile.
O-toilet nga.
Yeah.
Okay. I-toilet
And then open space la.
Okay. Wathi nginyawuliwa hayi.
Rad, bitties spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby, yelling, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt.
Guys, again, it's still the same day. Yes, Sana, we are back emzini wethu. The last time we were here, I think it was around 12 during the day, and now the time is currently 7:30. New updates, but live river sand, ne? Plastering, yeah, but live plastering. There was a river sand and then there's plastering, so we are just here to check ukuthi kunjani, and we're not even gonna spend 5 minutes here and then we leave. Okay guys, nansi plastering sand. Yes, woo, direction, focus y'all, focus. Hey, let me get in guys. Ooh. Okay guys, this is the part that you did not see during the day. So they did this part, you see, this is the only part that they just did. And now sadly we can't go to the other side now through this one. So we need to go out and round to the other side in order for us to go to the other unit. Otherwise, we're gonna end up here in unit 1. We can't access unit 2. But we're not complaining because that shows direction and progress. That's good. That's good. So far, so good. We are so happy. Yeah? I think the wall is too up for me. I don't think it's okay.
Wena
Mina ngenzani?
ibona leli likhulu for wena
Likhulu lelibonda for mina.
Awufani ukukhona ukujumpa
Angeke ngikwazi ukujumpa. Ukhona ngibona ngijumpa phi?
wena
Ngike ngajumpa phi? Ngiwajumpa phi ama fence?
asingiyeke asingiyeke
Unendaba yazi.
asingiyeke
Unendaba. So ulungiselela ukujumpa.
it's fine
Ngike ngajumpa phi mina?
awukazi ujumpa now
Guys, I think you see the progress. Earlier on, there was this part up until here. Let's get in, guys, and see if there is any progress. Yes, this is the progress. Earlier on, Beipela Lana, but now they just added this piece, as you can see here. You see? So it means this piece, they did it from around 12:01 up until now. The time now is currently 7:30, but they live here I think around 5:30. So I think they did this within 3 or 4 hours. So we are happy this side, we are happy. So now there is no more access for me to go to that unit, which is unit number 2. I'm at unit 1, but I would love to go that side, but it will require me to jump. So andizokwazi ukujumpa. Why are you laughing? Yeah? Thanks for doing. Khona lapho nangena jumpa khona, jumpa ama fence. So ngingakhona ukujumpa.
awukazi wajumpa before
Ngijumpa.
awukazi wajumpa ibona before
Ngijumpa phi?
awukazi into ngisho awukazi wajumpa
Mina, I have been a very, very, very sweet and pastor's kid.
content yaqoqa ne
Yeah?
yaqoqa i-content ayitshengisi awufuni ukutshengisa ukuthi like you are capable.
I've been a pastor's kid, mina sana. Ngishoda nje ngopastor kodwa I've been a pastor's kid. Angizulazuli. So esijumpisa amabonda, that is not my style. Never. This is our day 5. We are back here. This is our day 5. This is how day 5 looks like. Yesterday I think you saw this wall and also that other one. So now this one is our new edit. It is for the bathroom and the shower. It's almost done. Almost done. Just a little bit. See, I'm not okay. I have ulcers, so I'll come back tomorrow and show you another part.